In this presentation, we will introduce the basics of using Microsoft Excel. We will cover formatting, formulas, and charts, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. We'll start by exploring the basics of formatting, including cell and number formatting, as well as conditional formatting. Then, we will delve into the fundamentals of formulas and discussing basic formulas. Finally, we will cover the creation and customization of charts. Formatting is an important aspect of creating professional-looking spreadsheets. In this section, we'll cover the basics of cell formatting, including font, color, and alignment, as well as number formatting, such as currency and percentage. Cell formatting allows you to customize the appearance of individual cells, including font, color, and borders. We'll demonstrate how to apply cell formatting, change the font style and size, and add borders. Number formatting allows you to display numbers in a variety of formats, such as currency, percentage, and scientific notation. We will demonstrate how to apply number formatting, as well as how to customize the display of negative numbers. Formulas are the backbone of Excel, allowing you to perform calculations and manipulate data. In this section, we will cover the basics of formulas, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We will also explore absolute and relative cell references, which allow you to perform calculations based on changing cell values. Basic formulas allow you to perform simple calculations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We'll demonstrate how to create formulas, as well as how to use brackets to control the order of operations. Absolute and relative cell references dictate how Excel treats cell values when performing calculations. We'll demonstrate how to use absolute and relative cell references, as well as how to switch between the two types of references. The if function is a powerful tool for performing conditional calculations. We'll demonstrate how to use the if function to perform calculations based on certain conditions, such as whether a value is greater than or less than a specified value. Charts are a powerful way to visualize data and communicate information. In this section, we'll cover the basics of chart creation, including selecting data, choosing a chart type, and customizing the appearance of the chart. Creating a chart involves selecting the data you want to visualize and choosing a chart type that best represents that data. We will demonstrate how to create a chart and choose the appropriate chart type. Customizing a chart allows you to change its appearance and make it more visually appealing. We will demonstrate how to add titles, labels, and legends to a chart, as well as how to change its style and color scheme. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing and manipulating data. By mastering the basics of formatting, formulas, and charts, you can create professional-looking spreadsheets that communicate information effectively.